How to fix Amazon order not showing. Let's get started. First, launch your Amazon app and make sure you have already logged into your account. Navigate to your profile page and head over to the section Your Orders. In the Orders page, review filters, date range, order type, fulfillment channel. Widen to anytime and clear specific filters. Switch devices and browser, sign out and back in, compare across app, mobile browser, and desktop site. The order may appear in one even if missing in another. Next, confirm you are using the right account and country. Double check you are logged in into the correct Amazon account or email. Ensure you are on the right regional site. Wait up to 48 hours. Amazon's system may lag during holidays or high volume sales. Orders often appear within a day or two. Next up, update the Amazon app. So close this and launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Amazon. After app appears, click on it. If you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, what you want to do is contact Amazon support team. For that, launch it. Navigate to your profile page. Click on this section, Your Accounts. Now select the option Contact Us under Customer Service. Now have conversation with Amazon Contact Support team. And that's it. These are some fixes for Amazon order not showing. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.